Hello students, today we are going to start our new chapter, that is life process. Okay, chapter 6, life process. So, for the maintenance of living organism is essential even if they are moving, resting or even sleeping. So, this life process is very important for the living organism. So, what is life process? Life process is what? The process which together perform the function of maintenance of life. Okay, this is called the life process. The process which together perform the function of maintenance of life. Maintenance of life is called life process. So, in life process, what? There are different function, like they perform different life processes are there: nutrition, respiration, transportation, excretion. Okay, for example, nutrition is there. Okay, respiration, transportation, excretion. So, all these are what? Different life process. So, these are the different process. Okay, nutrition, respiration, transportation and excretion. So, these are different life process which are very important for the maintenance of the life. If all this process is not functioning properly, then what happens? Our life cannot survive properly. So, that's why this all nutrition, respiration, transportation, excretion, these all are the important process of the life, due to which we can maintain our life. So, first we will see one by one. Okay, we know and we all know that organisms are of two types: unicellular organism and multicellular organism. So, in unicellular organism, what? Since uni means single, so single cell perform all the basic life process. Means single cell will perform all this life process: nutrition, okay, respiration, transportation and excretion. This all the life process will be performed by the single cell. But in multicellular organism, what happens? Since they are having different cells, different types of cells, so different cell will perform the different function like nutrition, respiration, transportation and excretion. So, it differ in both multicellular organism and in unicellular organism. So, first we will see one by one life process. First we will start the nutrition. What is nutrition? So, first we will see about the nutrition. So, we all have studied in the lower classes also what is nutrition. So, first we will see what is nutrient. Okay, nutrient is what we eat. What we eat, like we take carbohydrate, okay, protein, minerals, vitamins from different sources, like from vegetables, pulses, rice, wheat, all that. So, all these are what? They are the nutrients. So, what is nutrition? So, this what I told, that is what are the nutrients which we take, like food. Whatever the food we take, that is what the nutrient. From the nutrient what we get? Protein, carbohydrate, fat, minerals, vitamins. These all are the nutrients which we get from the different sources. But what is nutrition? This is the first life process, that is the nutrition. So, what is nutrition? The process of intake of food is called nutrition. Okay, nutrition is called the process of intake of food is called nutrition. Intake of food means food which we are taking that as a nutrient. That is all. Intake of food is called the nutrition. And nutrition is of two types. That is autotrophic nutrition and heterotropic nutrition. Okay, auto means self. So in this form, the organism will prepare their own food. Okay, or nutrition in which the organism get their prepare their own food. That is known as autotrophic nutrition. And heterotropic nutrition means what? Which the organism which depend upon the other for their nutrition is known as heterotropic nutrition. Okay, autotrophic nutrition means the nutrition in which organism prepare their own food. Okay, it's called autotrophic nutrition. For example, green plants. These are what? They are autotrophic because green plants prepare their own food with the help of the process photosynthesis. Heterotropic means the nutrition in which organism depend upon others for their food. That is heterotropic nutrition. For example, animals, human. These are what? Heterotropic nutrition. We are the human, we are the heterotropic. Okay, we are heterotropic because we are totally dependent upon the green plants for their food. So this we have seen what is nutrition and we have seen what are the types of nutrition. In next topic we will see what are how the autotrophic nutrition prepare their food. That we will see in different organisms, that how nutrition is done in the unicellular organism and in the multicellular organism. Thank you.